Hi, this is the challenge number 6 and my team is in number 5, and today I'm going to explain the circuit, the code and how it works, the Arduino, or all the challenge or what is about it. So at first I'm going to explain the code of this challenge. At first, like always, we need to declare all the variables. We're gonna write const, which means constant, then int, that is integer, and then the name of the variable. I wrote echo, and the number of the pin that it's gonna be connected in the Arduino, right here. Okay, later I'm gonna repeat this for the echo and the trigger. Well, in this challenge we use ultrasonic sensor, which is this thing right here. Is this thing, and for the ultrasonic sensor we need to declare two variables: the trigger that sends all the information, sends information, and the echo that receives it. So that's my two variables. Then I have to put long, duration, integer, distance, and that's all. And here we finish declare the variables. I put long and duration because it's the time that it's gonna delay the trigger, and the distance, will obviously we need to measure the distance of an object and then I'm gonna make an example for this. Then I have to put void setup, and here I have to put pin mode, echo, and input. Why input? Well, I have to put input because the echo, it's gonna receive information, it's not gonna give, so I have to put input. It's gonna receive it. And trigger, the trigger pin, I have to put pin mode trigger pin. I put output because the trigger is gonna give information. Then I have to put serial begin 9600, because if I don't put this number, the ultrasonic sensor is not gonna works like it would be, or better, right? It's not gonna work good. Then this part I have to put void loop because obviously this is a cycle in an infinitive cycle, and it's not gonna end never. Then I have to put digital write trick pin low. In this part we can say that we clean all the information that is in the trigger, right? We're gonna turn off it, we're gonna clear all the information right there. Then I put delay microseconds 2, so that means that in 2 microseconds it's gonna do that, right? Then I have to put digital write trick pin high. I'm turn on the trigger. Then delay microseconds and 10, and here I use the variables that I declare here: the duration and the distance. Durations equal pulse in echo high, right? Here I am turn on the echo, and here I'm doing like a formula, right? Distance equal duration, right? And I'm duration by dot 034 divided in 2. Yeah, that's this formula is gonna give me the distance. Yeah, and here we are calculating the speed of sound, right? Then here I have to put serial print, because this is this part, the serial print, it's going to put in this part, in this window right here in the module series. It's gonna put or print, obviously, this thing, this word that is here, right here. The serial print is gonna it's gonna put in that window that I said distance, the word distance, and that's it. Then I have to put serial print ln, and here the distance that it's calculated with the formula that we did here, right? It's gonna give us the number, and the delay, that is 1000, which means 1 second, and we put this delay of 1 second because every second it's gonna give us a new distance, right? Every single second is gonna give us a new distance and a new distance, and that's it. That's all the code. Now I'm gonna explain the circuit. Okay, the ultrasonic sensor is divided in 4 pins. Here, the ultrasonic sensor have 4 pins. The first one here, it's the ground, right? It's connected in the negative side, and then I put like a bridge into a ground right here. Yeah, it's a ground right here in the Arduino. Then the second one, this one right here, it's the echo. The echo is connected in a pin in the Arduino. I connected directly in the number 10. The third one is the trigger. The trigger, it's actually I have to connect it in a pin of the Arduino 2, so I connect it in the number 9. I declare it on my code right here. We can see it. And the last one is it's the 5 volts, right? The voltage that is right here. I connect it in the positive side, and then I used another cable or another wire to put it on the 5 volts right here. So that's it for all this circuit. Actually, this is a really easy circuit. So now I'm gonna explain how it works. So the trigger is gonna send information, right? Then the echo is gonna receive the information, and it's gonna tell us what's the distance between any object. So how can we see that? Because this is like the trigger sends like waves, so we cannot see it. But in the Arduino, there is a window that I said that it's the monitor series, and here if we click, it's gonna give us a window, and we actually can see how the ultrasonic sensor is measure the distance. So okay, I'm gonna make 5 examples. At first, we can see that it's measured, and this is the wall, right? The distance between the wall. Then I'm gonna use my wallet, sorry, and I'm gonna put it right here. So I have the wallet here, and if we go to the to the window, we can see that I have a 12. That means 12 centimeters, right? Okay, I change it with another thing. I'm gonna use my cell phone. I'm gonna put it right here, and now we can see that it says 22 centimeters, right? Okay, then I'm gonna use another thing. I'm gonna use this Rubik's Cube right here, and I'm gonna put it a little bit longer, right here, and we can see that it tells us 27, right? Centimeters. Another thing, well, I can use this speaker right here. I'm gonna put it a little bit close right here, and it tells us 4 centimeters, right? Another thing, I'm gonna put I'm gonna use this card right here, this paper. I'm gonna put it like this, and it tells us 20, 20, 21, 21, yeah. And that's it. Like you can see, it works. I'm gonna put my hand really close. I'm gonna put it more close, yeah, and it says 3 centimeters. You can see my hand is right here. So as you can see, it actually works, and it works very good. So I hope you like it and you enjoy it. So see you next time.